Hello. In this demo, I will show you how you can use Llama, which is a pre-trained model. First of all, these two lines of code to mount the driver on Google Drive so you can have access to the folders here. And this is the steps to download and run on Google Colab. First of all, you need to have token from Hugging Face. So go to Hugging Face website and then go to Setting, Access Tokens, and generate a read token. Save it in a place that you can use it in future projects. Then to set up the Google Colab environment, you can create a new Google Colab from Google Drive and then change the runtime over here. You can change runtime and choose T4 GPU. Then we need to install these libraries. So run this cell. And then this is to log into Hugging Face Hub. So you need to paste the token that you generated from Hugging Face website. After that, we use here a 4-bit quantization via bit and byte library. This is crucial for fitting the model into Google Colab free T4 GPU because pre-trained models are quite large. So when we use 4-bit quantization, we will have smaller size of the model. So now it's running to download the model, and I have run the access before that to generate text, which is the inference step, by using the prompt explain why the sky is blue in a concise and friendly manner. This is the inputs where we will use the tokenizer, and this is the gradient descent to go through the inference step. And I use the temperature to be 0.7, so I will have a more creative response rather than to be fixed response. Then this is the output. It's a great day, way to start the day with a bit of science. The sky appears blue because of phenomenon called relay scatter. When sunlight enters Earth's atmosphere, it encounters tiny, and this is the answer. So here we could use the model for inference. So we are not training the model, but we just downloaded from Hugging Face and used with our prompt. Then we have the answer.